Welcome to APAC Braid Academy Level 3. You've made it this far. In Level 3, you'll learn advanced braiding systems. From Two Strand Twists to Dutch braids, fishbone braids, you name it. This is the place to learn it. In Level 3, you'll build on the skills that you've already learned in Lesson 1 and 2. So grab your mannequin, prepare your workstation, and let's begin. In today's lesson, we're focusing on creating professional two-strand twists. Let's begin. Unlike a traditional three-strand braid, this style uses only two sections of hair twisted around one another to create a smooth rope-like pattern. Begin with a clean, even-sized section. It can either be a free part, square part, whichever you desire. With the client's permission, you want to go ahead and apply a small amount of braiding gel. Now you want to grab your braiding hair and get the desired amount for the braid size. So for this, we'll do a medium two-strand twist. Now what you want to do is separate the hair into two equal sections. So you have your section here, so you want to separate it into two. Just like this. Now you want to grab your braiding hair and watch me first carefully as I wrap it around each section of the hair. So first you take this side here of the braiding hair, and you want to place your hands like this around the natural hair and the braiding hair. Just like that. Okay, so you should have it just like this. Next, you want to go ahead and wrap it as if you're just twisting the braiding hair on the natural hair. Just like that. Very good. So just like that. And it should create just slight tension on the natural hair and the scalp. Just like that. Once you do that, use your thumb to hold that down. With the other natural hair and braiding hair still loose, you want to twist that inward slightly, and then you're going to take this strand here and wrap it on top. Just like that, and it should look like this. Okay? Now each section you want to twist individually. So you want to twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap, twist and wrap, and you want to do that in a downward motion. Awesome job. Okay, just like that. Remember, each side you want to twist. Now let's try this again. And let's work together, okay? So place your gel. Remember, only with the client's permission. And then you want to separate it in two. Just like that. Then you want to grab your braiding hair and then begin. So remember, you want to twist it, the braiding hair on the natural hair here. Just like that. Just like that. So it should look like that when you start. Perfect. And then now with your thumb holding that side, you want to twist the other side inward and then bring this one on top. And remember, if you did it correctly, it'll be tight to the scalp. Just like that. Just like mine. And remember, as you work, you want to maintain even tension from the root to the ends. Try to keep your twist consistent in each side. Make sure it's neat throughout the style. As you get better with this advanced technique, you'll become faster. Just like that. Awesome job. Now look here at the root. Look how mine looks. That's how yours should look at home. This is an advanced technique you want to adopt. Beautiful two-strand twist. This wraps up today's lesson. Remember to practice at home, and I'll see you at the next lesson in APAC Braid Academy.